Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Hana.
Hannah. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
8 years old. And where do you live?
I live in Cà
Province. Very good. Okay, Hannah, let's start. Can you tell me who's he? This one?
She's my grandpa.
He's my grandpa. Excellent. And who's she?
She's my mom.
She's my mom. Are you cold?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. Okay. Are you thirsty?
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not. Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. Very good. Thank you, Hannah.